Most projects that go sideways were doomed before the work even started, not by the plan, but by what nobody wrote down. A project charter is a one-page agreement you write before any work starts. Why this project exists, who gets to decide, and what done actually looks like. Here is a real one. Purpose, business case, and objectives up top. Why we are doing this and how we will know it worked. Then scope, both in and out. Out of scope is the line that saves you. It is the sentence you point at when the requests start creeping. Sponsor, project manager, and sign-off. One accountable sponsor named. If nobody owns the outcome, you do not have a project, you have a wish. And because this charter is a live sheet, it stays right next to the actual work, not buried in a deck from kickoff week. That is a project charter, one page, written before you start in a sheet your team already knows. Free templates in the description, wisegrid.co.